Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends unable to connect to EA servers error. So when this problem occurs, the first thing that you want to do is to check whether EA is having maintenance on their servers. If not, then we are ready to proceed to the next step. Now you want to navigate through the data centers on your Apex Legends. And simply in here, you want to choose the best one. But if the best one doesn't work, you want to navigate through the second best one. So in here, let's click the AP Southeast one, which has 41 ping. And from here, you could just go ahead and enter the server. Now, if this didn't work, you could keep going on until you try different data centers on your Apex Legends. Now, you also want to go ahead and make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi securely. Make sure that you don't have any loose connection on your Wi-Fi or on your LAN cable. Well, that's another thing that you want to go ahead and simply use a LAN cable instead of a Wi-Fi because it will be a lot better, especially for online and competitive gaming. And basically from there, you're good to go. There's nothing much else to do but to check whether EA is having maintenance or not. So you also want to click on Apex Legends, click Properties, navigate through installed files, and click Verify these game files are installed correctly. So this will go ahead and fix any issues regarding the game files itself, and simply from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.